Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kraken tax exports for accurate capital gains, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Kraken website and logging into your account. Navigate to the Funding tab located in the main menu. Select Export from the drop-down options. Choose Tax Reports from the available export options. Specify the date range for your tax report. Select the type of report you need. Once you've made your selections, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to process, which may take a few moments. Once processed, you will see a download link for your tax report. Click the download link to save the report to your computer. Now, open your preferred tax software or the accounting tool you're using. Look for the option to import data or upload files. Select the file you just downloaded from Kraken. Follow the prompts in your tax software to upload and integrate the data. Once the import is complete, review the capital gains and losses data. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections within your tax software. Finally, save your work and proceed with your tax filing as required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.